Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my June 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate unboxing. I know it's midway through July, but Ipsy unfortunately lost my June 2020 Glam Bag Ultimate. I was so upset. I had to reach out to Ipsy to be like, where is my box? And tell them I didn't have tracking, and they were good about sending me a replacement. So I believe this is the replacement. I don't think my original one ever got found. I don't know what happened to it. So I'm hoping that I'll get the same product I was supposed to get, because I think I was pretty excited about my June Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, but I don't know what I'm actually getting in this, so it'll be a surprise. All right, it feels really heavy though. Okay, so let's see what I got. On top, I see from the Balm, Meet Matte Tremoni. Meet Matte Tremoni. Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh. I love getting an eyeshadow palette, and I love the Balm products. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, this is pretty. Really big pans, all matte shades. You can do like a light neutral. You can also do a smoky eye. I'm excited to try this out. Okay, so I did not get a product card, but here's my Glam Bag Ultimate makeup bag, and there's a bunch of products inside. I wonder if I got extras, or I know I did get a lot of add-ons. I redeemed my points for a lot of add-ons, but I don't remember what was add-ons, so I'm kind of not really gonna know what's add-ons and what's part of my box. But oh well, I'm just glad to have the products. All right, another product here. This is from Dr. Brandt. It's the Luminizer Primer, Pores No More. I actually have tried this primer out before. Yeah, the packaging on this is so pretty. I think I got this in a FabFitFun box, so I already have a full dedicated review video on this product here. So I'll have that linked down below if you want to see my review of this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. I really like it, and I kind of forgot about it, so I'm excited to have another one. Oh, I actually remember that this is the product I chose because Ipsy lets you choose one product for each of your glam bags. And I should give a little background. I am subscribed to all three Ipsy glam bags. So the $12 glam bag, the $25 Ipsy glam bag plus box, and this here is the $50 Ipsy glam bag ultimate. So I should be getting my July glam bags anytime. I think they're maybe delivering tomorrow. They're already in transit. I also get both BoxyCharm boxes. So I get the regular BoxyCharm and I get the BoxyCharm Premium. So I love doing unboxings on my channel, and I love reviewing all of the makeup products as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. And usually at the end of the month, I do a full face makeup tutorial using all of the products I got from both Ipsy and BoxyCharm that month. But last month I couldn't do it because I didn't have enough products from Ipsy to do my full face, but they'll definitely happen this month. All right, so here, like I said, is the product that I chose. It's from Laura Geller. It's the Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water Prime Set Refresh. And I really like Laura Geller products. The Spackle products are so classic from her. So I'm excited to try this out. I love facial mists. Ooh, I see a really nice big Murad product. Murad is another brand that I love. This is the Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. I'm pretty sure this is pretty expensive, so I'm really excited about this. I love exfoliating my skin. It has really helped to improve my skin in so many ways. Less breakouts, less dry skin, smoother appearance. So I'm really excited to try this and use it in part of my skincare routine. Here is another Balm product. This is Auto Balm Girl Power Cheeks on the Go. I actually have the yellow version of this kind of metal palette, which was eyeshadows. Ooh, and this one here, it looks so pretty. it's a cheek palette, so I think these are 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlighter. Really cute packaging. These look like really pretty colors. I'm gonna resist swatching right now because I'm gonna save that for the full dedicated review video that I will do on this. Ooh. And this is another palette. Okay, I am really excited about this box. I am so glad that Ipsy was able to send it to me because I got great products. This is from the brand Dewy. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I've tried out the mascara from this brand before. That's really nice. And this is the Freematic Eyeshadow Pro palette. And I love palettes, and 3 palettes in this box. That's pretty awesome. Ooh, my gosh, this is so pretty. It looks so luxurious. It feels luxurious with the packaging. These are matte shades, these are shimmers. Ooh, and a beautiful big shimmer here. And it has such pretty detail. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to play around with this, create some eyeshadow looks. This looks beautiful. I feel like this would be expensive. I don't really know though. Okay, so then I'm gonna go through all of the products that I have in this box here. Oh, here's a card. Product card, June 2020. Oh, see, I don't think Ipsy gives product information on the cards anymore, but so I got this card, this exact same card twice already in my other June Ipsy bags. But okay, so I pulled out Exfoliating Coffee Scrub from Mine Tan. I don't love coffee scrubs for some reason. I think they're really messy and I don't love the smell of them. And I've been getting a lot of coffee scrubs in my boxes, and I always make sure to put on the Ipsy app when I review the products that I don't like them and I don't want them. But so here's another one. What's this one here? Ciate London Wonderland Mascara. This feels very empty, very light, but I think I said last month probably that I get a Ciate London product every single month, and so yep, here's another one without fail. I do love trying out mascaras though, so I'll be trying this out in a video. Here's another mascara. Oh, this is the Dewy Max Lash Volumizer Mascara. Maybe the Dewy mascara that I tried already was different. I mean, this is a sample size version, so the packaging looks different, but I'll have to check. That's interesting. 2 mascaras. It kind of feels like they threw in extra products because there's a lot of products here. Oh, I got the Huda Beauty, the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. I'm kind of remembering that this is a product that I was supposed to get, so maybe these are all products. Maybe they didn't send me extra products and it just feels like a lot because you get a lot of products in the Glam Bag Ultimate anyways, and then I also have a lot of add-ons. But so I love using sponge applicators for my makeup. It's my go-to application tool, and I like Huda Beauty, so I'm excited to try this out. I also like that it's black so then it doesn't get as dirty and stained. Then this here is the Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner with Keratin. I kind of think I added this on, but I should just stop guessing because I don't know for sure. But I actually have my hair natural today, and when I wear it natural like this, I like to use leave-in products like this one here. So excited to try this out. This is another Ciate London product. This is Dewy Stick Luminous Highlighting Balm in the shade Glow. Seems familiar, like I might have already tried this. I've tried out so many products now that I can't really remember. Yeah, I feel like I did. I feel like I've already received this product before. If I have already tried this and I didn't love it, then I'll just save this for a giveaway or gift it to someone. Ooh, this is a product that I'm really excited about. This is from Thrive Cosmetics, Cause spelled C-A-U-S-E. I love this brand because they're very charitable, meaning they donate products to a woman in need to help her thrive whenever you purchase a product from them. And the products that I have tried from Thrive Cosmetics have been awesome, so I'm really excited to try out this Glossy Lip Hydrating Serum that I have in the shade Ruth. Ooh, this looks beautiful. I love hydrating products like this. Oh my gosh. And the packaging. Well, this is one of the products I am most excited to try out. And then another Murad product. I love this product. I have tried this out in a couple sample sizes and I love it. It's the Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So this is a really, really nice moisturizer, but it has SPF 30, which is really important to me. I actually see another product in here with SPF that I love that I'll just show it to you now. This is the Dermedicine Weightless Face Moisturizer SPF 25. So this is a product that I got in a previous box that I really have been enjoying. I'm actually wearing this exact moisturizer on my face today. And I saw that I could redeem my points for it, so I wanted to get another one for either myself or to gift it for someone, just because I really like it. But I really like this one as well because it's really important to me to put on a moisturizer that's really hydrating for my skin, but also to protect my skin with SPF every single day, whether I leave the house or not. So both of these are really great options if you're looking for a great SPF moisturizer. And then I got the Bio Race Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask. Ooh, this sounds really great for me. I have been back on my nightly mask grind, and so I'm definitely going to use this. I really need to tighten and minimize my pores, and this sounds perfect. Deep cleanse, tighten pores, sebum control. I used to not be super excited when I'd get masks, but now I am because I'm doing a nightly mask and it's just been so good for my skin. And this sounds like it'll really target my skin concerns. I have so many products, wow. Next, I have Kula Mineral Sun Silk Cream, SPF 30. This is another SPF moisturizer. This is a very small sample size, but that's great for a little beach bag. And I love the Kula products. They make great SPF products, and I don't think I've tried this exact version. This is the 70% organic Mineral Sun Silk Cream. I don't think I've tried this one, but I'm really excited to because I like to try out all of the Kula products. Another product here, this is from the brand Cake. It's the Curl Friend Totally to Die For Defining Curl Cream. Frizz Fighting Curl Defining Glossy Silk Styling. So this is another product that would be perfect for when I'm wearing my hair like I am today, just natural, to help with my curls and to keep it frizz-free, which I definitely need help with. So I'm excited to use this. Made in Canada, cruelty-free and vegan, and it just looks really cute. So you might see products like this show up in my monthly empties videos. So I love doing those videos now, so then I can really tell you a lot about the product because I've used them up and I know a lot about them. So that's where I've been showing a lot of the skincare and hair care products that I've been loving. So with all of these videos I keep talking about, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these videos. All right, there's still 3 more products in here. This here is from Belle and Argent Lip Lurry in the shade Jealous of Us. It's a lip gloss. Oh, beautiful. I'm pretty sure this is something I redeemed my points for, but I have just been loving lip glosses these days. I'm wearing a tinted lip gloss right now. I just can't get enough of them. And then I have a lip balm. I do love lip balms. This is Little Moon Essentials Peppermint Stick Frosty Lip Balm. I have such dry lips, so I am always applying lip balm or lip gloss or something. So I'm pretty sure I redeemed my points for this just because I can never have too many lip balms, and I love peppermint and I love minty lip products. So this will be great for my dry lips. And lastly, now this is a product that I have already tried before and I really like it. It's from Hanale. It's lip treatment in peach pink. This is a really beautiful, shiny, hydrating lip product that I have already tried before. So I will have my dedicated review video that I already did on this product linked in the description down below if you want to see that. So that is 21 products, I think, if I counted correctly, that I just unboxed. 21 products that got lost and I almost didn't get, and I am so relieved and so thankful that I got this box because I am really excited about these products. I have so many to try out in dedicated videos, so many great skincare, hair care products that I can't wait to start using. So wow, phew, I'm so glad that this box made it to me. I feel like I can't stop saying that enough because I'd kind of lost hope, but I can breathe a sigh of relief because now I have my products and I'm so excited about them. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried out any of these products before and what your thoughts are on them. And also I'd love to know if there are any products that I pulled out that you want me to do my dedicated review videos on first. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.